Now, in your classes, your teachers are going to post announcements on this announcement page. This is going to have probably your syllabus, pacing guides, any information the teacher wants you to know about the course. Now, one of the most important announcements you need to look out for is the pacing guide announcement. Pacing guides are what the teacher is going to upload for you to show you what you need to turn in on a daily basis. Now, for this course, you can access the pacing guide, and it'll look something like this. It's going to have the date, the unit, and what you need to start for the unit and when the assignment is due. It's very important to follow the pacing guide and not fall behind. Your teacher will post the pacing guide again in announcements or in the teacher course materials or both. Again, follow the pacing guide. It will give you due dates and that will help structure you throughout the school year.